Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is called Toast and Sprinkles. Super cute bath bomb, and you could already see the colors kind of peeking through the sides, so I had a little idea that it was going to be colorful, and it really was. This is a lovely bath bomb. So far I have ordered several bath bombs. I've used most of them, even though I haven't posted all the reviews yet, and I am very impressed. Not only do they look as magical in person as they do on their website, but they weren't that expensive and they smell wonderful. Now, I will say that all the demos I do on my channel, they always have like a ring or jewelry or something hidden inside them. This company does have a few bath bombs with things inside of them, but for the most part, they're just bath bombs. So you guys said you were interested in still seeing the demos, so here we are. So this one does not have anything inside, but oh my gosh, was it a fun bath bomb. So the fragrance notes are buttercream icing, cake, and maple syrup, and I would say that that's definitely accurate. It smelled very sweet and it smelled like cake. It kind of looks like a rocket going through the bathtub. It kept wanting to keep getting pulled back to me. I had to keep nudging it like, stay out in the middle of the tub, please. But yeah, it took forever. It kept going and going, and it was very pigmented. And I like the complementary colors they picked for this, because if you remember in a recent video I did for Fragrant Jewels where I did their Mama Bear bath bomb for Mother's Day, the colors were not complementary and the water was like a brownish, weird, yucky looking color at the end. But this one, since it's pink, blue, and white, made a really pretty purple color in the tub. So that was really awesome. And the sprinkles did dissolve. They were not left in the tub. No staining, nothing like that. And this was a 6-ounce bath bomb. Just to give you an idea of how big it was. And it looks like whenever they restock on their website, they constantly have new stuff. For a while, their website was down because they ran out of inventory, and then they took a little bit of break because of the whole coronavirus stuff going on, so that the company and the people that work there can stay safe. But they are doing a restock. So if you go to their channel, you go to their page, and it says, you know, we're currently out of stock, check back, because I could tell you that I highly recommend this company. They did not send me anything for free. This is just 100% my opinion, and I love everything that they sent me. And I don't know if they often give out samples, but when I did my unboxing video, you'll see I got several samples, a free bath bomb. And they sent me chocolate. I was like, come on now. Like, I am not hard to please, and that made me so happy that I got goodies in there. Because so many companies, they just, you know, they don't send you extras and little freebies. I just thought that was so awesome. So here's a little glimpse of the water. And that is my demo for the Toast and Sprinkles bath bomb. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.